What is going on today, my fellow YouTube followers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today's Sunday. Today's a good day-ish, but I still want to bring you guys content and give you guys the experience. So, wheels came in. Okay. The condition of them is a little questionable, but the actual look and build, like the way the styling, looks phenomenal. It looks amazing. I got two of them rolled out next to the truck on the side. They look great. I'm gonna show it to y'all in a second. But first things first, thank you guys for checking out the channel. Give a thumbs up to the video if you really enjoy it. I appreciate it.
Are you recording?
You're in the video. So give the video a thumbs up, like, I appreciate it a lot. It helps the channel out. Please, once again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys coming. Without further ado, let me show you the wheel. This is it, y'all. So we got the wheels in. The wheels I went in are Fuel Forge FF05s. They are a polished forge wheel. I got these custom made the way I wanted them. I wanted the rivets around it. Also, I wanted it to say Fuel Forge. Sitting on the Amp Terrain or Amp MTs. These tires look pretty dope. I like the way they look. The sidewall is like super aggressive. And I ran amps back in the day, so if y'all remember my first set of 20s on the truck, I had 20 by 12s or 20 by 14s or 20 by 12 and a half amp all-terrains, not MTs though. But my boy over at 6.0 Power Stroke Pat, he told me that these tires run real good. He said he likes them a lot, so I'm gonna take his word for it, because I think Amp's a good brand. So are we mounting these today? Unfortunately, no, we're not. Long story short, you guys, we got a couple little discrepancies with the wheels that I have to reach out to the company. I'm not bad mouthing them or anything, but we do have some issues with them. You know, I'm not gonna say, so I'll give you an example. So I got my 4 center caps. One of them is cracked. Not a big deal. It's cracked. So they gotta send me out another one of these because it came cracked and smashed up in a little box. One of the wheels, 2 of the wheels have tape residue on them from shipping. These wheels were the ones that were at the bottom of the pallet, and they didn't peel the tape up. So when I peeled the tape to take the protective little ring off, it left a bunch of residue. This wheel has something on it, like I don't know what happened. That stuff, I don't know what that is. It's like, I don't know, but it's in the metal, like it's in the actual metal. So I gotta hit him up about this stuff, because it's not cool. The inside of the wheels, the 2 wheels that were on the bottom of the pallet, on the inside of it, they're messed up on the backside because they didn't like cover them up or wrap each wheel individually, which I thought they were gonna wrap each wheel individually, which would make 100 times more sense than wrapping a big bundle. So wrap each wheel individually and then wrap it to the pallet. But that's not what they did, or strap it to the pallet. They stacked them up, wrapped them together, which on forged wheels, man, come on now. You can't do that. Like, these wheels are super expensive. You're gonna save yourself time as a company, because you're not gonna have to fix these issues. And then 2, you're gonna, you know, customers are gonna be happy. You know, you pay a lot of money for these wheels. So I'm gonna talk to them about that. So unfortunately, it's not gonna be getting mounted to the truck today, but it is what it is. These wheels still look amazing. I cannot wait to get them on. She's actually, old girl is gonna be sitting on jacks. I don't know if I mentioned already. She's gonna be sitting on jacks because tomorrow Mike's coming to pick up the wheels, the old wheel setup. I'm gonna be taking the wheels off today and washing them and polishing them for him. So when he comes tomorrow to get the wheels, it looks bueno. And I'm gonna apply a ceramic coat to it too. So I gotta do that. I wanted you guys to see the wheels. Sorry I couldn't have a cooler intro, mounted truck rolling. I mean, that's what was the plan was. I was gonna make a rolling video, truck, the wheels mounted, get some rolling clips of it, man. This is gonna look fly. I was gonna wash the truck and everything, but I can't mount those yet until get the little discrepancies fixed with the wheels. But overall, they look good. Just have those issues gotta get taken care of. So if you guys enjoy this, let me know. Comment down below, please, because I would love to hear y'all's opinion. I think the truck's coming together. Either way, this week I am going to be officially entering the truck in the Music City Music City Showdown in Nashville, Tennessee, April 3rd to the 6th, I believe, first week of April. We're gonna be entering the truck. She's gonna look good. It's coming together, man. It's coming together. I cannot wait. I'll let y'all look at it, look at her and enjoy it. But you guys see, you see the vision, it's like starting to come alive, man. It's starting to come alive. Turn that focus down a little bit, it's too much. Man, look at that. Look at this part right here. You see that? You see how the white bumper, tail lights, forged wheels. You get a little glimpse of the gold shark back there. You see that combo right there? That's it, bro. Man. You guys see the vision now? Now for those of y'all that kept commenting saying, oh, leave the black trim because you got the black wheels. Well, I told you guys those wheels weren't gonna be around for long, so don't sleep on me. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a smash thumbs up because you guys know I love it and I appreciate it. It helps the channel out grow. New people can see this stuff. So thank you guys so much. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. One more thing, comment down below. 2 brands, wheel polish, Zephyrs or Renegade. I put a poll up on Instagram, dude, and it was like right down the middle, 50-50. I'm about to just roll the dice with Zephyrs because it's made in Texas, and I know a lot of forest dudes out here represent them and like use them and stuff. So until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe, peace out. Whew, we got some forged wheels, yeah. Y'all take it easy.